Welcome back, my wonderful friend. Let's start today with a touch of pure mystery. Look at how beautifully the high contrast brings this scene to life.
Wow, talk about a grand scale. David spent years capturing all these intricate details to make this moment feel completely unforgettable.
Let's share a quiet, cozy moment here. Vermeer is an absolute genius, turning everyday focus into something purely magical. Look at this fascinating circular composition. Ingres used these incredible flowing lines to create a real sense of structural harmony. Feel the raw, turbulent energy here. Géricault completely broke the rules to bring us this deeply moving, dramatic masterpiece. Here is a true icon of passion. The way the tricolor flag stands out against the swirling smoke is absolutely breathtaking. Step right into the biggest celebration in the museum. Veronese filled this massive space with so many lively, colorful guests. Isn't this arrangement beautifully balanced? It's like a grand, quiet poem translated perfectly onto a canvas for a comforting experience. Time to dream a little, friend. Let's drift away into this whimsical, romantic hall, where pure color is our only guide.
Look at these incredible textures. The artist looks at an ordinary kitchen counter and finds a world full of shimmering magic.
Everyday items become absolutely spectacular under the right brush. It turns a humble home moment into something truly wonderful.
What an absolute joy it has been exploring these masterly stories with you today. Thank you for being such a wonderful companion. See you next time.